Good morning, everybody. It is the 29th of November. Wow, it's almost over, huh? It is 5:20. I had to check the clock. Sorry, didn't mean to look away from you. In the morning. Anyway, I've got an earthquake update for you. Here we go. There was a 4.7 Indonesia at 108 miles in depth. There was a 4.0 Timor Island region at 40 miles in depth. There was a 4.6 Columbia at 100 miles in depth. There was a 4.2 the Gulf of Alaska at 12 miles in depth. There was a 3.5 Gulf of Alaska at 4.3 miles in depth. There was a 3.6 Gulf of Alaska at 3.7 miles in depth. They happened consecutively, guys. There was a 4.3 Kashmir border region, and that is in India, and that was at 6.2 miles in depth. There was a 3.2 Iona Sea at 1.2 miles in depth. There was a 4.7 Malacca Sea at 40.3 miles in depth. There was a 3.2 Northern Alaska at 6.2 miles in depth. There was a 3.1 Kodiak, Alaska at 24 miles in depth. There was a 2.4 Hawaii at 11 miles in depth. All right, that's all I have, guys. I hope you have yourself a wonderful morning. Enjoy your day. Stay warm. Over half the U.S. is in a freeze and snowing and windy. God bless you. Please be safe. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are so awesome. 2 thumbs up for you. God bless.